So, isi-share ko na sa inyong lahat kung ano yung mga tinatanong nyo mostly sa akin. Yun yung ay tungkol sa Shopee Taiwan. Yes, dahil marami talaga guys ang nag-PPM sa akin, nagdi-DM. So, hindi ko na kayo iisahin, basta alam nyo na kung sino kayo. So, itong video na to guys, kung ikaw din ay gusto mo ding mag-shopping sa Taiwan pero hindi mo alam dahil it's Chinese language. So, itong video na to is para sa'yo. Hi guys, Rwiz here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button. So today guys, i-share ko na talaga sa inyo yung mga tinatanong talaga ngayon sa akin. Yeah, so before tayo mag-proceed sa video na yon, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat dahil sa inyong suporta, sa mga kaibigan ko. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa mga relatives ko, maraming salamat. At yun na nga. So guys, excited na ba kayong malaman kung paano? At excited na din kayong mag-shopping sa Shopee? So, without further ado, let's get started. So hi guys! So ito na yung aking phone. As you can see, meron na siyang mga icons from YouTube, social media, editors, and anything. So if you're asking me what phone that I use is, I'm using Samsung A51. It's a new release from Samsung company. Before tayo pupunta dyan guys, if you notice my icons, naka-organize talaga siya. Okay, so we will proceed to Shopee application, and if you don't have Shopee application yet, so you can go to application store and you can click Play Store, then you can search Shopee Taiwan, and then you can open it kasi nakapag-install na ako. So meron na akong account sa Shopee. So if you don't have account yet, so you can sign in first your Google account or any account or any email account na gusto mong gamitin sa Shopee. So ngayon, dahil yung ating title ngayon, dahil gusto ko kayong matulungan kung paano mag-shopping or paano i-translate sa English yung Shopee Taiwan. So pag open mo, so yung aking account is naka-Chinese siya. So all you need to do is go to the settings of the Shopee, and kung makikita mo guys, meron siyang tatlong column na gray, light gray ang kulay. So, susundin mo yan. And then, dahil hindi mo alam kung saan or kung saan pipindutin yung language. So, kung nakikita mo yung second column dito, itong second column na to. So, sa pinaka number 6 niya, dito sa pinaka last, pipindutin mo yan guys. Click here. Ayan. So, makikita mo yung merong English, Bahasa Malaysia, Chinese Simplified, Chinese, tawag ba dyan? Chinese Mandarin, and then, hindi ko alam kung ano, Bahasa Indonesia, TM Viet, Portuguese Brazil. So, I think this is Islamic. So, all we need to do is to click English. Dahil yun naman ang ating language para maintindihan natin kung paano tayo mag-shopping. So, click here and everything will be set. Ayan. So, English na siya guys, and click mo lang dito sa arrow, and then that's it. So, kung makikita mo guys, meron na akong to receive the parcel. Ayan. So, that's it guys. If you want to shopping na, then you can go to the home. And, ayan naman, meron naman nag-pop up, diba? So, meron na namang sale ang Shopee ngayon. Every day naman sila may mga sale guys. So, kung mapapansin mo guys, hindi lahat naka-translate sa English. Ayan. Pero, pag mag-search ka dito sa taas, halimbawa, magsi-search ako ng wedge na sandals. There you go. So, ayan. Meron siyang Chinese, meron din siyang English. Ayan. So, yun guys. Yun lang. You can shop anytime you want to shop in Shopee Philippines. In Shopee Taiwan. So, yun na guys. And I hope this video is a big help for you guys. So, if nakatulong sa iyo, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. So, yan na guys, and bye! So, that's it for this video guys. I hope this video will help you. It's a big help for you guys to shop in Shopee Taiwan because marami talagang mura. At yun, mabilis lang talaga yung processing nila. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And I will see you on my next vlog. Bye! See you soon! Bye!